Hi everyone, thanks for stopping back by for another video. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am happy to have you. And I would love for you to consider to subscribe to the channel. And for all my returning subscribers, welcome back. And today's video is my Yes Oh Yes subscription for the month of August 2019. And Yes Oh Yes is a monthly subscription. I'm just trying to take everything out so that I can easily see stuff. I don't know what all this stuff is. It always comes in a black mailer like this. Yes Oh Yes will give you 3 to 7 full-size beauty products. It's $14.99 plus tax, and for every 4th month of continued subscription you get a free gift. And I did contact them because I was beyond the 4th month, and they did email me back very promptly and said they would include it in my box. And of course, I will have no idea if something is a free product because they don't tell you what's in the box, the bag. So this is Time to Travel. That's a nice card. And then the back of the card just gives you some information. So it doesn't tell you the products in your bag, but I have more than I normally do, so I would assume one of these is a free product. So the first product is from Stiks Cosmetiks, and it's the Silicone Pro Blender, and that's right here. That's pretty nice. I think I have one similar to that, so I might save that for a giveaway. And we have a brush, and this is by, I'm trying to see, I think Aesthetica is the brand, and this is a brow spoolie and like an eyebrow, to put eyebrow like powders and pomades and stuff on. So I might give that away because unless I keep that, that would be a good one to add with my stuff in my bathroom. I'm using a bigger one. So that's 2 items, and this is from Stiks Cosmetiks. I've never heard of them. And here is the packaging. And this is a lipstick, and I think the color is cinnamon. If I could open it without destroying the box. There we go. Oh, that's really nice. And this is the packaging. So this is the side where it says Stiks Cosmetiks. This is the packaging. Very interesting. And I assume this just lifts up. Yes, this here just lifts up. And you just turn it, I would assume, like normal, to get it to come up, which I don't really need it to come up. I'll just turn that back to here. So that's a nice color. Very interesting packaging. I might keep that because that's a good color, especially for the fall. The next product is from Mirabella Eye, and this is an eyeshadow primer, which is always nice to get. And I don't know if it comes in different colors. It shouldn't. A primer. Keep on destroying the packaging. Let's just get that piece out. So this is a primer. So this is what the packaging looks like. Pretty nice. Yeah, it doesn't give a shade. And here's what the doe foot applicator looks like. And I would say that's pretty light. That's very light. I mean, you could barely see it, which is good because you don't want to see it. You want it to blend. I don't know. So I have it right here on my hand, so you can probably see a slight difference. And it feels nice and creamy, and you can see where it's been applied on my hand, which is good because you want, you know, a nice, I don't know what that smell is. It's not an unpleasant scent, but I don't know if they're, you know, but it does sort of blur like anything that was on my hand, like any light veining or anything. It sort of does mask it. I don't know if you can see that on my hand there or not, but that I'll use that. And then from a company called Zatik, and this is Relieve Eye Serum for all skin tones, pomegranate and eye bright. And this is antioxidant cocktail for firmness. I don't know if this is the free gift. I'm really not sure. This box looks like it's been through the wares, but it's been through the post office, so I can't knock it, and that's what this looks like. So this is a serum, and this is 1 fluid ounce. Here's the pump top. Let me just see. Prime it. There it comes. I love serums, so I'm all about that. And that's what it looks like on my hand. And I mean, it's sort of got like a, what does that smell? I would say almost like a, there's a little citrus in there. Something is citrus. Rose, that's it. Sort of got a little rose, so you can see that it does leave, here's the serum on this part of my hand, so it does leave it, it's not tacky, but it does feel nice on the skin, so I'm not going to knock that. And then the last product that we have, and this is from Callmemavie.com, Callmemavie, and it is Take Me to Los Angeles, and this is a palette. Kind of cute. This is what the palette looks like. This is a cruelty-free brand. There is a mirror. There is a safety shield. Okay. And this is what the palette looks like. Looks nice. I'm not going to swatch this one because I have so many palettes that have these similar tones. I might keep it and I might give it away. If I keep it, I will come back in another video and swatch it, because some of these shimmers I might not have, but I definitely a lot of the neutrals would be good. And this is a big enough palette that I wouldn't mind, you know, taking it away, you know, with me, because for the most part I do pretty neutral looks. So so far I'm happy with this for the price. So we have, and this is 9 shades eyeshadow. We have an eye serum, a pretty big bottle of eye serum. And here was the lipstick. Here is the eye primer. And we have the double-ended, the brush and spoolie for eyebrows. And then we have the Pure Cosmetics silicone beauty blender. I think that's a pretty good bag for the month of August. So that is my video for today, and thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you all in my next video. Bye-bye now.